Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear wiper motor on this 2002 Chevy Suburban. And it's the same part and similar process on these Suburbans from 2000 to 2006. And the items you'll need for this is a new rear wiper motor from 1AAuto.com, 7, 10, and 13 millimeter sockets and a ratchet, flat blade screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. Start off by lifting up your glass, and then you want to push in the center of these clips and pull them out. And do the same for the other one, but ours is broken, so it just pulls out. Now you want to pull down around this panel. And you want to just keep doing this until all the clips pull free. Now lift up the glass and slide this panel forward and out. Now to remove this lower part of the panel, you want to remove this 7 millimeter bolt, and we'll fast forward as Don does that. And now just pull that handle down and out. Now pull out around this panel to release the clips. And your tailgate panel's removed. Lift up this cover on your wiper arm and remove this 13 millimeter nut. Now maneuver your wiper arm back and forth while pulling it free, and after a while it'll just break free. Now use an adjustable wrench to remove this nut. And then just pull off this cap as well. Pry out on this tab and disconnect the harness from your motor. And then remove these two 10 millimeter bolts. And we'll just fast forward as Don does that. Now just angle the motor down and out. On the left is the old motor, on the right is the new one from 1A Auto. They'll mount exactly the same. Take your new motor and feed it back into place. And then replace those two 10 millimeter bolts. And we'll fast forward as Don does this and then tightens them up. Reconnect your harness. Put this cap back in place and then twist the nut back into place and tighten it up with your adjustable wrench. Put your wiper arm back into place and replace that 13 millimeter nut and tighten it up, and then reconnect your washer hose. To reinstall your tailgate panel, you want to just line up the clips and then just push them into place. Now when reinstalling the top part, you want to lift up the glass, and if your tailgate goes to a certain point, that glass will actually close, or if you move the tailgate too much. So just be careful, watch your fingers, and don't put your head too high up so that it hits you in the head. And you want to just line up these clips and start pushing them back into place. And you want to make sure you tuck this part up and over that latch before the glass closes down on it. And if the glass does fall before you've got it where it needs to be, you can just lift the glass up again and reclip it up and over it. And just make sure all these clips are hidden. And then we'll fast forward as Dawn replaces that pull handle and the 7mm bolt that holds it into place. And then replace these 2 clips. And you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.